5 most recommended exercises to lose belly fat fast. One of the most tedious parts of the body to lose weight and toning is the belly. Unfortunately, this is also the area where most of the excess weight is noted and where fat tends to accumulate as a result of poor diet and other oversights. Get rid of the rolls in the abdomen without leaving home, as long as you propose it and you are willing to take on a constant challenge. The most effective way to eliminate belly fat or any other area of the body is by practicing exercises. In this sense, most people prefer to attend the gyms, as the machines enhance the work and help achieve optimal results. However, those who do not have the time or money to go to one can leave excuses right now, because there are also effective ways to reduce that tummy without having to leave home. Now we will give you 5 most recommended exercises to work the abdominal area, while reducing the weight and toning to shape the figure. So before we begin our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get more tips and tricks to lose weight and safely. So the first exercise is frog kicks. With this simple exercise you work the middle and upper abdomen, which are areas more difficult to tone. How to perform it? Stand with your buttocks and hands on a firm surface, and place your legs up in the air with your knees slightly flexed. Now, move your legs back and forth, while you make a movement with the chest for both zones to meet. The point of attachment will be the abdominal wall, where you can feel all the tension of the exercise. Perform 10 to 20 repetitions. Second exercise is elevation of legs. The trick for this exercise to work the belly is to keep it contracted while raising your legs. How to perform it? Lie on your back with your arms in your lower back and your legs stretched out. Keeping your legs together, begin to lift them up, as if a thread were pulling them to bring them to the ceiling. Try to keep your legs elevated for a few seconds without losing the rest of the body, and slowly lower them to the starting position. Third most effective exercise is abdominal muscles lying on the floor. Abdominal exercises are most recommended to reduce the waist, tone the belly and get rid of the fat located in this area of the body. There are different ways to do them, but then I will tell you a variety that is very easy to practice inside the house. How to perform them? On a mat or exercise mat, lie on your back with your legs bent and your feet flat on the floor. Now, with your hands behind your head, raise your torso slightly by abdominal action, keeping the spine straight and without bending the neck to avoid injury. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. If you want to increase the intensity, do the same movement but with the legs slightly lifted from the ground. Now the fourth is griddle. The stance, or also known as plank, is an exercise that is becoming very popular because it is proven that in just a few seconds can work the whole body. As the idea is to do it to lose belly, it is very important that in doing so you keep the abdomen contracted. How to perform it? On an exercise mat, lean face down on the forearms and toes. Make sure your elbows are just below the shoulders and your back is straight. Try to maintain balance for at least 20 seconds and perform 5 sets. When you have more level you can end up holding up to 1 minute. And the last one is abdominal stretches. To finish with this abs routine is good to do stretching, also focused in this area. Its function is to tone, but also serves to recover the body after having performed exercises of greater intensity. That is why the ideal is to leave it to the end. How to perform it? Lie down on your stomach with your whole body stretched out and your hands resting on the floor. Now, raise your arms so that the front of the body rises backward with the abdomen contracted. So these are the top 5 exercises to lose lower belly fat at home. And also remember, removing the belly is quite a challenge and requires a lot of perseverance to achieve it. These exercises serve as a supportive routine to flatten the belly, but in addition to being consistent with your practice. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest tips to lose weight like this. Thanks for watching.